Hello, everyone. So there were so many things to know. I mean, पता ही नहीं चला कि एक घंटा खत्म हो गया, and now we starting on another session again. So we'll just wait for Mr. Sheetal again, and we'll connect again, and we'll talk about other few things. I'm just excited about it to talk to him more and know more about his work. Hello, Kaushal. How are you? I hope it was fun talking to him and knowing a lot of things which we didn't knew till now. I mean, I am really enjoying just talking. I feel I can just talk hours with him. So here we have Mr. Sheetal again, and
I'm so sorry. I didn't know that it gets disconnected. As I mentioned, I'm technically fully challenged. I don't understand anything about technology, so I'm just following what's coming. I'm extremely sorry it got disconnected in
I
between.
know, no. I mean, see, imagine it is so much fun that we don't even know कहाँ time जा रहा है. एक घंटा भी खत्म हो गया, and I didn't recognize also, and it's just fun listening to you. It's so
No, like
much.
maybe I'm talking too much, but like yeah.
Yeah. So, tell me, Shigal, like how colors are important. Like in your movie, uh, the Made in China, right? The film
Yeah.
has a red color as a very prominent. It's a very prominent color, red. So, did the director give you any instructions using
Here,
the red color,
here, here I
or it was
completely give the credit to Nikhil Musle. Nikhil Musle, like
okay?
completely his. It's completely his idea because Made in China again, like it's a thing. If you see the Chinese thing, the Chinese red lanterns, they're red in color. So I think somewhere that
Yeah.
idea comes up from there, like to give the red atmosphere to the film or the vibe of it. Also, like as a thing of love or danger, like it's so it was like a little it's a color of passion. So somewhere I think those color relate to the film. Like it's about a man who wants to build his brand and a man who
Mm.
loves his wife. At the same time, there's so much of danger what he was getting into by doing. So I think somewhere the red connected so well in the film. Like so I think that's what I think the color red was.
Yeah. True. So, tell us with which actor or actress you have worked and you cannot forget the experience. Like one of them that just share one of the experience that you can never forget working with them.
See, I wouldn't say like there's one actor or actress. There are everyone is so amazing. And Touchwood, like it's a thing. Like I've worked in some more than 27 films, but it's rare a thing where I could actually have a bad time with some actor. It's always like a learning, or it's always like the way they will also, because see again it's not about me who builds a character. When we all come together, we all come with brilliant ideas. There are sometimes these actors, they come up with these vague ideas which just clicks so amazingly that we feel okay, yeah, this is so cool. Maybe like the way an actress want to cut her hair, or maybe an actor wants to add a mustache, or want to uh, add
Hmm.
a scar to the face or something. I think these kind of things also come a lot from the actors, so I've always collaborated and worked with actors. So I don't think there'll
Then
be any bad
who
experience.
has been your favorite till now that you
If
have?
I wouldn't say that as favorite, but then of course there are always like like a thing. Like I love working with Rajkumar Rao. I think such a brilliant actor, and I think last year
Mhm.
was a year which I worked on some 6 or 7 films, out of which 5 films are with him. And like
Wow.
so I had this bond. I've created this bond with him where I know what he wants, and like and he also is a guy who gets into the detailing of characters. From he would be the one who will ये जूते नहीं, मुझे ऐसे वाले जूते पहना दो, चप्पल दे दो इस सीन में. So you know he's so enthusiastic about his character.
Hmm.
Not just him, like Nawazuddin. Oh my God, such a brilliant guy. He comes
Oh.
with these, he studies his character and he comes with these brilliant notes where he will share with you कि मैंने ये सोचा है, ये सोचा है, इसलिए तुमको क्या लग रहा है कि मैं कैरेक्टर में क्या, कपड़ों में क्या ले सकता हूँ उसको. he thinks, I think that, then of course I wouldn't be wrong to name Kangana here. I have loved working with this actress Kangana. Like, she is brilliant when it comes to character building. You know, the vague ideas which she comes from, like, you know, where she will add, okay, maybe let's try this color, she's always able to experiment with her look. तुम मेरे बाल ऐसे कटवा दो, तुम मुझे ऐसा चश्मा दे दो, like, you know, things like that. So I think there's so much of enthusiasm. Again, so many actors have, like, even Moni Roy, like, you know, for example, in Made in China, was so open to try out new things, and, like, you know, her image of that sexy, bold actress to, like, this Gujarati housewife, the transformation, I think it was so amazing. I'm not, again, Pariniti Chopra in Kesari, she had a very small character, but I think she looked what Punjaban in that film. She was like a Sardarni, like a proper hardcore Sardarni with those salwar kameez, those dupatta on their head. I think there are so many actors like that who always collaborate and work brilliantly. I think it always have worked so beautiful. And then you see the end result. It always looks beautiful. So I wouldn't say, like, you know, any actor has given me that hard time. Of course, fitting issues happen. Of course, last minute changes happen, where we have to be always on toes to kind of put things together and put things with a lot of consciousness to kind of, so the actor is comfortable, you know, something is pinching here, something is tight here. So we need to be very sure. Then, of course, for that, we have the brilliant tailors. As I said, it's never me who would put things together. There's a team I work with. There'll be a brilliant team of assistants, brilliant team of supervisors, brilliant team of ADs, then my tailors, my embroidery guys, my master cutter. Like, you know, there's always like a team. You might come with brilliant ideas, but technical knowledge, what these guys have, I think it's far better than all of us put together. Like the tailors, the masters, when you go up with ideas and they will, nahi, isko aise kaat lenge to ye zyada acha lagega. Those things, I think, is always like a learning.
So did you have ever like a little bad experience which must have taken you head over heels ki, oh god, मैं अब क्या करूं? Did you have any such experience in all these movies? कभी एक बार कभी कुछ हुआ, and we can share with us.
I would share, like, you know, there are, like, every film is, like, I won't say like all the films are easy. Every film has its own set of challenges. You can say, like, you know, sometimes the director expects something and maybe you're not 100% close to that. Or sometimes, you know, that your outfit has come up, you've discussed something with the director, but when it reaches the set, it is not matching the ambience of the set. So those things are very challenging. I remember at once, like, you know, where a shoot of mine, which was supposed to be the next day, got cancelled because of the costume. I think, you know, you feel so bad that, you know, that you were so properly ready and you were supposed to go shoot. The actor is ready with the costumes, walk to the set, sees in the camera and everything's going wrong. And then you get so nervous and you start panicking, and, you know, and then you get to know in the end that, okay, because it is next to impossible and the producer calls for a cancel of the shoot, and then you really feel bad because per day shoot, I think it's a very expensive affair, like, you know, to calculate the expenses which goes for per day shooting, and then you completely take that blame, shit, like, you know, because of costume you've cancelled the shoot. So that's where I always been very conscious. But it's happened with me once, I think, where shoot got cancelled and I wouldn't name the film or the director, but I felt, you feel so bad and you want to put extra 200% to make things accurate and put together, and you always are sorry to the actor and you're so sorry to the director. Things like that. You know? So
but then when so many things are combined together, kabhi to kuch hota hai na, hota hi aisa, so it is it's normal, I guess. But I know, I'm sure I can understand the way you're saying, how bad you felt about it, that, you know, you are the reason ki you know,
that's true. You feel, oh shit, it's happened because of me. There's an entire crew sitting there, and because of my costume the shoot is getting cancelled. You just feel so bad. And then also, like, sometimes with actors, you know, like, the actor wants something and then you're not able to give that, and then it's, you know, then it's you feel bad about the fact that, you know, you wanted to put it together in a certain way, but also time constraints, you know, where it's a very negative part which I would like to share is, like, you know, I think on any film what you go, a costume designer is always like the last person who comes on the crew, or a last person who's hired on the crew. Like, you know, things are changing slowly. There are a lot of people now, they start working 3 to 4 months in advance with the entire crew sitting in narration and all. But, you know, there are times where a costume designer is hired 20 days before the shoot, or maybe 10 days before the shoot, and then you have so much of pressure, and also
Yeah.
there's so much of competition within. I won't say that I don't feel competitive, or like I don't feel I would say a wrong word, insecurity, but there would be so many things that, you know, if you don't do it properly, there are 10
Mm.
brilliant other people who do it much nicely or are more
Yeah.
talented than you. I wouldn't say
True.
that, like, you know, there's so much of talent, but also you feel that urge that you want to give your 100%, but you have limitation of time, and then you somewhere go wrong, and then you have
Mm.
these very bad times with the director or with the actor. But
Mm.
so far, touchwood, I didn't have that bad time with the actors, but because, you know, you have on-set tailors who can fix things to you on the set, where you waste maybe half an hour, 20 minutes, but you can fix this thing on the set and give it to the actor, which they are comfortable with. Maybe the director has that void that, you know, I wanted this, but you've given me this. And then you always
Mm.
have that. And it's, I think it's a human nature that, you know, you are always so defensive when you're wrong, you always have to protect yourself. Or maybe I won't call it wrong. Also, there's a fact that because we didn't get that kind of time to put together what we could have put together nicely, so there always that
Mm.
little drawback, or maybe like, you know, feeling of I won't blame me or designers that we are guilty, but you always feel bad because a creative person is always very sensitive. You see it in the
Yeah.
world, like all the creative people are very sensitive. So when
I
you feel
agree.
that कि मैं ये
Totally
100%
agree.
दे सकता था, but because you didn't give me time, I couldn't do it.
Mm.
I think
Yeah.
that way then gets into little arguments and, you know, that bad time on the set or whatever. But in the end, when the film comes out, I think everybody's happy. If the film does
Yeah.
well,
True.
everyone is great and everybody's partying. But if the film
Yeah.
doesn't do well, then I think all the departments feel guilty and the director feels bad about it. I think
Yeah.
it's a part of
True.
it's a part of the
So,
game, like, you know, in a way.
Sheetal, tell us, like, see, right now, you know, we have a lot of competition everywhere you go, you know, whether any field it is. So, I'm sure you must also be having a lot of competition in the industry, also, there is. So, reaching to this point, like, after doing such good movies, I mean, how do you maintain your the to the level that you have, you know, reached, and you need to stay there, right? Because there is a lot of competition. I mean, नहीं तो एक झटके में, you know, कोई नया आ गया and immediately you are backed off from the work. So
No, you continue your question. Like, you know, I was just like a little curious in a way. Yeah, you continue with your question.
कि वही, like, how do you maintain yourself to that level, because इतना pressure होता है, there is so much of competition going on. So
I
how do you maintain? I mean, how do you grab new work then?
I wouldn't call like I'm fortunate that way, like, you know, that I have been working in such films where, you know, the filmography itself is you know, where when somebody, like, you know, it's a compliment I feel when, like, you know, when people say that, oh, you're only 10 years old in the industry and you've done such great job or whatever, you feel happy about it, of course. But, you know, I won't call it, like, you know, right now whatever I'm in working, so there is not that I have to prove myself that, okay, maybe I'm good for the job what you've hired me for, because people come with that confidence to me that, okay, you are the one who can build characters, including all of us in your process. So so I wouldn't call that I feel insecure, but there's always like a fact that, you know, that you feel that there might be somebody who is better than you. There's always that feeling that somebody better than you, but then also like the fact that when you make yourself where people start trusting you, I think that is where you made your stand. You don't have to prove
Yeah.
then, okay, that, you know, that I am good at this, so people come to you with that intention that, okay, if I'm making a film like that, I'm sure he's good at that. So I don't have to kind of, like, you know, keep presenting my filmography to everybody. So whatever calls I get right now are the calls through where people have seen, okay, his films are like that. There always been a look which is so distinct and which is appreciated. So they come to me in that level only, and then complaining about things of insecurities and all. I think that's a part of this game. I think this field itself is very insecure with. I think not just it's just not because it's creativity, and you always feel that pressure that, okay, if you are not at that excellence, there are 10 more who would be far better than you. So there's always that competition, I think, and you take it little in a healthy way. I think you won't feel that bad about it. But if you just
Yeah.
leave it like, very casually, then of course there is brilliant talent all around you. So
So
there's always a
having that
competition. Even
relation,
if
I mean,
25 years in your field also, maybe you would have got an Oscar award also, but you'll be still a little insecure about the fact that okay, there's always a good talent. So
hmm.
what I feel is that you always want to present the best work to put together. I think I do want to fade out with the passing time, okay, and feel confident, okay, like I have a very good filmography, so it's okay. I can do anything and I'll get away with it. I think that's
Hmm.
where I want to keep myself conscious about. So every film which comes to me, whether it's a low budget film, whether it's a short film, or it's a web series, I like to put things together where the characters are made in an interesting way, and then you have a brilliant team to execute it. I would never say that I make a costume team, I make clothes or I put it together. It's a series of
It's
team
a
who are there with you,
thing.
who work day night. There are times when I'll be sitting at home and I'm coordinating
Hmm.
only on the phone, but there's a team which is running for me day night, a team which runs to the shop, a team which goes to the dyer at 11 in the night getting the clothes dyed, a team which has understood the design from me and has gone to the tailor and explained it. And even in the
Hmm.
set, when the things have come wrong, there's a person who takes the responsibility and rectifies it. So I
Yeah.
wouldn't say that it's just me who handles it. We have series of people who work with
I
us
guess
and
I guess
it comes together.
Sheetal, this is what this is what is this is the answer to my question, that the way you've been motivating your team and talking out, that it is a team effort. It is a team effort. Even
It's
though it's
completely.
your work, you completely putting up on team. That is my answer to this question. That this is where you survive in this industry, to that level कि आपको काम मांगना नहीं पड़ता, because you have that strong team and you have that trust build up. So
It's
that is, I
very
think, my
important to
answer.
have a team which trusts you completely, or even the building factor with the production and with the director, where they trust you
Hmm.
that okay, even if it's a last minute thing, they would trust me that okay, I'll put it together. So that's
Huh.
where I was talking about, where you really feel guilty that that oh shit, that person trusted me and gave me like a day or two to put together, but I wasn't able to do it, and then you feel bad
True.
about it. But then, of course, what I again would put together, that I think we as a fraternity or an industry should start giving little more importance to the creative teams, because what we take time to
Yeah.
put things together. It's not like you
True.
sit
Very
and you
true.
have 20 ideas in your head. You need to sit, you need to read, you need to research, you need to shortlist your research, and then you put it together. So I think that's where I always feel that that I think we as Bollywood should start giving some time to the costume designers, art directors, to build that time. Maybe like, no, I'm not asking you give me like 1 year, but give me 3 months or 2 months to come up with ideas, to build a good
Hmm.
team, to start making
True.
things, rather working under stress and making things in 2 nights. we
True.
I It's commendable that I have a team which can put up like a song with 80 dancers and
Wow.
main actors and actresses, 4 changes each in 2 nights. We've done that numbers of times. We've done
Wow.
that, that
Wow.
and have a team of 3 to 4 people whom I trust blindly, that I know I sketch it out, or maybe they'll sketch out, we'll combine it together, we swatch
Hmm.
the fabrics, we still show it to the director, okay, these are colors we are doing, but in 2 nights
Hmm.
we'll dress up 80 dancers and actors with 4 different changes in a song. We do that. It's not that we haven't done
Wow.
that. In numbers of films we've done that, but I think it's so much of pressure and stress what we go
Hmm.
through, and then somewhere we just feel neglected in a way that because those 1 week would be, or 2 days would be so hectic that we are not able to give time to your families. We are out till 3 in the night, 4 in the morning, working, putting things together. Then early morning
Yeah.
shoot calls at 6 o'clock to be ready with the garments.
Yeah.
It's pressurizing your health. Somewhere you start feeling. I think that is why a lot of these costumes start getting gray hair. A lot of these art directors are always under stress. They all have big
Or they have
chashmas.
long beards, or they
Yeah,
have
because
long
you don't
hair.
get
They
time.
don't have time to groom
Yeah,
themselves.
I think you enter a film set, they always say that costume designers, costume teams are always so well dressed. I think I know my team, even in under so much of stress, I know people will get up in the morning, still put that lipstick, still wear that nice outfit and come out on the set,
Come
because
on.
I think if you ever enter a film set, the most it's wrong to say, but the most presentable and the most good-looking team always be a costume team, where everybody says that अरे तुम लोग को क्या स्ट्रेस है, तुम लोग तो इतने फ्रेश दिख रहे हो, तुम लोग तो इतने अच्छे कपड़े पहने हुए सब, but nobody understands how we put this together, but also it's our way to present ourselves. We being a costume designer or costume team can't come up messy. How, like, imagine you're a makeup artist and your kajal is
Definitely.
gone somewhere else. Would
हाँ.
the actor trust you? इसको तो
True,
खुद को
very
काजल
true.
लगाने नहीं आता है, तो इनको
हाँ,
क्या
that is
काजल
what
लगाएंगे?
that is what even happens with me. Having a store, people say, oh, you are always ready. आपको तो क्या है? It is always there. But that is my work. I have to show.
Yeah,
If
you
I
have
am
to be
dressed well,
presentable.
that's what I have to present to people. So if I'm I'm well, I don't need to show them anything, or I don't need to tell them anything. They'll visually just see and
Yeah,
recognize what work is being done. So,
exactly. So,
Sheetal, tell me some, which is your one of the project, or maybe talk about your project which is very close to your heart, like maybe one or two, and why?
there are many. There are many like that, because again, as I
But
said,
कोई एक या दो तो होगा जो एकदम करीब होगा, दिल के करीब होगा.
see, that one great project which I've learned maximum in my life till date, which I kind of put together, is Miss Lovely. I loved that film, the way, the process, because again, it was my first film. And I
Okay.
understood every department. I was so curious to know, okay, why they're lifting such big things and putting it there. What is this thing? Why is it going this way? Why the camera is here only? Why that yellow light is put there only? So I was so curious to understand all these things. So I think I learned whatever till date I am putting together is through that film. I learned so much how to research, how to put things together, how to build a character, how learn and unlearn in every film. I think that's what I got the best thing out of that film. Then of course, uh, the another big film which I done with Nikhil Advani was D-Day. I don't know if you've seen that film D-Day.
Okay.
It's with
Really.
Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor, Arjun Rampal, Huma Qureshi. It was about it was a very good film. We shot that film in Gujarat, and it was about
I'm going to see all these movies. I'm going to have your list that what movies, because I'm so fascinated about your work. So I'm going to now see all the movies which are
I'll be
left
so
out.
happy, and then I'm so
आधी
pushing
मैंने
you. If
आधी
whenever you
देखी
see
है और
anything,
आधी नहीं देखी है. I mean, I'm sorry for that, because
no, that's okay.
because of the work and all. Even sometimes you don't get that, to watch out your movies, and every time sometimes you just skip it out. So I'm definitely
So
make
whenever you
sure
get
that
time,
I'm
do
going to
watch. D-Day is a brilliant film. It's a very commercial film, but every character in the film and the way it's been put together, it's such a fast film about spies who enter Pakistan and they want to get Dawood back to India. Like, I'm saying it in a very wrong way. There's a character like Goldman who's been supposed to be got back to India. He's the most wanted guy. Very brilliantly shot film. I think that was again like a very big film for me to understand how a quick film, a quick massy film can be so beautifully put together. Then the most close to heart film till date right now, it's very recent. It's called Manto. Whenever you get
Manto.
to see that film, yeah, Manto. It's with Nawazuddin Siddiqui. It's been directed by
Wow.
Nandita Das, one of the
Wow.
most brilliant directors, one of the most humans I've seen in this film industry. The way we worked on that film, 6 months we worked on that film, and then we went on the set. But we were so prepped on that film. Every scene, every junior, every secondary character was tried, clothes made, look, hair, makeup tested before we went on the shoot. So there was a
Wow.
lookbook made of every scene, what
Every
scene, who will wear what, which was so brilliantly and Nandita Das, what a human. Everything given time. I had to go and tell her, okay, this is humanly not possible. She'll, okay, I'm changing this scene, I'm giving you 1 month, I'll shoot this after 1 month. Is that enough for you? Imagine these kind of people, it was so brilliant, and I think the outcome is so brilliant that if you watch, I'm sure you haven't seen that film. Watch it, it's on
no,
Netflix. Watch Manto.
yes,
I think
definitely.
it's where I got to work so brilliantly that you actually time travel. It takes you to 1940s. The film is so beautifully put together. It's about a mindset of a writer. and his thoughts and ideas, how he's going crazy in his head. Manto is one of the brilliant writers of his time, like, and I wasn't aware of him, but she made me work and understand Manto. At one point, I started, I knew that, okay, if Manto is this, I know he would be doing this at this time. Her narrations, the way she had built the character, and then of course Manto's own children who live in Pakistan. She made me talk to them, how they were very small when their father died, but they had a lot of these photographic evidences which I could relate to and understand. How Rasika Duggal's character was made, his wife, her nuances of, like, how a character moves from time to time, how they shift from India to Pakistan. Brilliantly made film. I think you should watch that, and the characters
Yes,
and the way it's
definitely.
been shot by Karthik Vijay, the
Definitely.
cinematographer, the art person, Rita Ghosh. Brilliant work they had put together. So that is one
Awesome.
of another close films, like,
Yeah. So Sheetal, I think I guess we can just keep on talking and I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
just
this
keep on
can go on.
listening to you all the time. But then we'll just take a last question and I think we'll end our session here. But
Yeah, yeah,
definitely I
please.
would love to work with you someday as your shadow.
Oh my God. No, I would love to put my brand someday in your, like, you have to curate it and put it under your,
Yes,
maybe
why
someday, I still
not?
don't know when it will be. Yeah.
So, Sheetal, tell us, some advice to the kids or the students who want to pursue styling or want to become a costume designer. Like some tips to them that will be helpful to them because your experience definitely would, help them. Something that you can tell them.
See, it's true. Like, I feel I'm too young to kind of give suggestions to people, but one thing I think we always need to keep that in mind, that this field is not just about glamour. There is so much more to it. Like, a lot of people think that clothing, you're working with actors, it's so amazing that you are in so close contact with the actors to dress them up, give them that look. It's so
Hmm.
glamorous. Those things are, I think, it's just a myth. It's just like a thing which we build in our head, that it's a glamorous field.
Yeah.
There's a lot of hard work. It's nothing to do
Yes.
with glamour. Everything glammed is what you are, and you have to make it presentable and glamorous. I think that's the biggest task. What everybody who's new, who wants to join costume designing, needs to understand, that it's all about hard work and how brilliantly you're going to put together, and how in this atmosphere of stress, you can still make things look brilliant and correct. The last minute changes to the last minute additions, everything is on us to kind of make it look beautiful on the actors. So it's nothing to
Yeah.
do with, like, okay, matlab, ye to bahut glamorous field and we can achieve in whatever way. There is
Hmm.
mad hard work, and it's
Like
never ending job.
the
Till the time you get into the
um,
film, till you finish the film, you're only running, and you only putting
yeah.
things together, like.
Yeah, and I feel the grass is always greener on the other side. So that
Yeah,
is
it
what
does,
is shown, but it is not the fact, it is very different.
it is.
So thank you so much, Sheetal. It was just amazing talking to you,
Same
and
here.
definitely we'll meet up. And
Yeah,
I
yeah, for
still got to
sure.
know a lot of things, so
Watch the
I'll keep
film, what I
talking
was
to you.
talking about. Do watch. You check the film.
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll be entertained with quite a few
I am. I have a checklist now. I'm going to finish
films.
all the movies that you have done. I have the list of it, and I'm
Thank
definitely
you.
going to watch it. Yes, definitely. Thank
For
you so
sure.
much. It was amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much everyone the live and being here. I hope that आपको बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला होगा एंड बहुत सारी मिथ्स क्लियर हुई होगी विच हमको कभी जानने को भी नहीं मिला है कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कैसे काम होता है एंड हाउ दीज कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनर्स work head over heels and how do they work. So thank you, Celebration Solutions and Trivit. And they are also coming up with other sessions and they're going to have good informative sessions with other celebs also. So keep on watching this uh, post
at the page. And thank you so much for having me here today. Bye bye.